Hey, greetings. Got a great property to share with you today in Westwood Village, one of my favorite communities within Green Valley. Just not far from the airport, real close to the McCarran Airport, and the Las Vegas Strip is just some moments away. But it's a great neighborhood, great community, close to everything. We got an open house today, so I got here early to share it with you. I want to walk you through the property. We're listed just under 600 grand. 2,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms and a loft with a dynamite pool. And what a great little entryway here. Here we are on the inside. Enter into the formal living room. Nice custom drapes, crown molding throughout this whole property. I don't know if you can see the contrast with the light, but it's all throughout the home. Very pretty. Nice door entry. Walking in, of course, you got a formal dining area. Swing around, you got a real pretty stairways. A lot of custom woodworking. A lot of nice little niches in there, just very pretty. Then the primary bedroom is downstairs. That's our secret surprise. That's our feather in the cap with this property. And you walk in and you got your family living room, a fireplace, custom built-ins, breakfast nook. Yeah, we got an open house today, so I got all my paperwork ready. I'm all ready to work, but just a nice open kitchen, lighting under the cabinets, just tons of storage. We got to see this backyard. Swing around. All right, now we got the backyard. Got some storage, saltwater pool, solar heat to really extend your summer's months with swimming. Nice gazebo. You don't like that, you can move it. But this covered patio goes all throughout the end of the home. Let me swing around here so you can see it. Then they got a pool cover. If you travel, you want to get away, you want to get a full, nice long patio cover. To the side, all that's going to be taken away with bulk. Let's just take a swing around the house and just take a nice look at this pool. Very nice and private. Love it. Let's go. We got to see this primary bedroom. Swing around. Nice coat closet to the left. You got your own laundry room. I tell you, in our house, we just throw the laundry in there and close the door. Don't want to worry about the mess. Got a nice half bath for your guests. Got a linen. And look at this primary, just a monster room. Got a nice tall 12-foot ceilings. Ceiling fan. Nice view of the backyard. There's your narrator. Got a Manu shirt on. Got a nice soaking tub. Oh, just delightful. Got 2 sinks, not 1. You need 2. Shower. Here's your other sink. What's cool about this custom closet? Watch this. Watch this. We need one of these in our home. Boom! Walked in and the light's on. All this was custom made. Tons of storage. Just a dynamite property. I know I'm biased, but it is a really nice home. Back into these are the original owners. First time it's ever been on the market. They're gonna kill me, but you want to see this garage. Let's take a look out here. A true 3-car garage. Tons of tools, but you can fit 3 Cadillacs in here if you need it. Right there. It's a swamp cooler to keep the garage cool. Access into the backyard. Storage. Here's where you put your Christmas stuff right there. Right there. Come on, let's go upstairs. I'm gonna swing around upstairs. This has got a special bonus room. Look at all this custom woodworking. Here's the top of the stairs. They got a built-in desk here, built-in shelves. And here is your custom, I don't mean the word custom, but this is your bonus room. The kids got their own room or your office. What they use this for is they built drapes and curtains. This is where she would sew. But man, you can make this for anything. Have the kids have their own room, have their homework right there, watch a little television. You could put a pool table here if you wanted. Now here's the 2 bonus guest rooms. Here's a guest room. Here's your guest bath, dual sinks, and look at this monster guest room. This is just not fair that guests would have a room this size, this big. They may not ever want to leave. Again, custom molding throughout. Look at this tall ceiling. It's got to be 15 feet. Well, I am so appreciative to share this home with you. I think we're going to do well at our open house today. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And any future videos that we shoot, you'll be notified right away. Thank you. Have a great day.